Did you know that pairing spinach with certain foods can affect your eye health or even vision loss? Despite being celebrated for its vision-improving qualities, spinach, like carrots, can have both beneficial and harmful food pairings. Proper consumption of spinach is essential to fully harness its eye-nourishing benefits. Pairing spinach with incompatible foods may inadvertently undermine its potential to support optimal vision. That's why I've crafted this comprehensive guide to safeguarding your eye health. Within, I'll uncover the 3 worst food combinations with spinach and reveal the 3 most advantageous ones. 3 best spinach combinations for vision repair. Number 1 is spinach with bell peppers. Pairing spinach with bell peppers adds a rich source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production in the eyes and overall eye health. The combination of spinach and bell peppers provides a synergistic effect, enhancing the absorption of nutrients and supporting optimal vision repair. The ultimate eye-boosting combo: spinach and bell peppers. It's like a dynamic duo teaming up to save the day for your vision. First up, we've got spinach, the leafy green superhero. Packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, it's like putting on sunglasses for your eyes, shielding them from harmful light. Plus, spinach brings along a bunch of vitamins A and C, essential for maintaining healthy vision and collagen production in your peepers. Now, enter bell peppers, the vitamin C powerhouse. These colorful beauties are bursting with this essential nutrient, which is like the glue that holds your eye tissues together. With a sprinkle of vitamins A and E, they're the perfect sidekick to spinach, adding extra oomph to your eye health team. But here's where the magic really happens. When you pair spinach with bell peppers, it's like they high-five each other and say, "Let's do this." Their powers combine to create a synergistic effect, making sure your body absorbs all those eye-loving nutrients like a champ. So, how do you harness the power of this dynamic duo? Whip up a spinach and bell pepper salad with a zesty citrus dressing for a vitamin C boost. Or, throw them into a sizzling stir-fry with some lean protein for a nutritious meal that'll have your taste buds cheering. With spinach and bell peppers by your side, your eyes will be shining brighter than ever. So, go ahead, load up on these superhero foods and see the world in all its vibrant glory. If you are enjoying this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now to the number 2, which is spinach with almonds. Enjoying spinach alongside almonds introduces vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Additionally, almonds provide healthy fats and protein, which support overall eye function and repair processes. This combination offers a nutrient-rich boost for maintaining eye health. Get ready to give your eyes a treat with this winning combo: spinach and almonds. It's like a power-packed punch of nutrients aimed straight at your peepers. First off, we've got spinach, the leafy green champion. Loaded with lutein, zeaxanthin, and a boatload of vitamins A and C, it's like a protective shield for your eyes, defending them from harmful light and supporting repair processes. Now, let's welcome almonds to the party, the crunchy, nutty heroes. Packed with vitamin E, they're like little antioxidant warriors, swooping in to protect your eyes from oxidative damage. Plus, almonds bring along healthy fats and protein, essential for keeping your eyes in tip-top shape. But here's where the magic really happens. When you team up spinach with almonds, it's like a nutrient explosion. They work together to supercharge your body's ability to absorb all those eye-loving vitamins and minerals, ensuring your peepers get the VIP treatment they deserve. So, how do you unleash the power of this dynamic duo? Whip up a spinach and almond salad with a drizzle of olive oil for extra healthy fats. Or, blend them into a creamy smoothie for a nutritious breakfast on the go. And let's not forget about spinach and almond-crusted fish, a delicious dinner option that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your eyes. Number 3 is spinach with sweet potatoes. Combining spinach with sweet potatoes provides a diverse array of nutrients, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and potassium, all of which are essential for eye health. The combination of spinach and sweet potatoes offers a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, supporting optimal vision repair and protection against age-related eye diseases. Get ready to dazzle your eyes with this dynamic duo, spinach and sweet potatoes. It's like a nutritional symphony playing just for your peepers. First up, we've got spinach, the leafy green powerhouse. Packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, and a whole bunch of vitamins A and C, it's like a superhero for your eyes, swooping in to protect them from harmful light and support repair processes. Now, let's welcome sweet potatoes to the party, the vibrant, orange champions. Bursting with beta-carotene, vitamin C, and potassium, they're like a nutritional jackpot for your eyes. Plus, sweet potatoes bring along their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory superpowers, ensuring your peepers stay in tip-top shape. But here's where the magic really happens. When you team up spinach with sweet potatoes, it's like a nutrient explosion. They work together to supercharge your body's ability to absorb all those eye-loving vitamins and minerals, giving your peepers the VIP treatment they deserve. So, how do you unleash the power of this dream team? Whip up a spinach and sweet potato salad with a zesty citrus dressing for an extra boost of vitamin C. Or dive into a hearty spinach and sweet potato curry, packed with flavor and anti-inflammatory goodness. And let's not forget about spinach and sweet potato soup, a cozy and nutritious option that's as comforting as it is nutritious. Now let's see the 3 worst spinach combinations for vision repair. Number 1 is spinach with highly processed meats. Pairing spinach with highly processed meats, such as sausage or bacon, introduces unhealthy fats, sodium, and additives that may negatively impact eye health. Consuming processed meats alongside spinach can contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially harming vision over time. Let's talk about a food combo that's a real eyesore: spinach paired with highly processed meats like sausage or bacon. It's like trying to mix oil and water. They just don't jive well together, especially when it comes to your precious peepers. First off, we've got spinach, the leafy green superhero of eye health. Packed with all sorts of goodies like lutein, zeaxanthin, and a whole alphabet of vitamins, it's like a protective shield for your eyes, keeping them sharp and focused. Now, let's turn our attention to those highly processed meats, the villains of the story. Loaded with unhealthy fats, enough sodium to make your blood pressure spike, and a laundry list of additives you can't pronounce, they're like the bullies picking on your poor spinach. So, what happens when you pair these two together? It's like throwing a wrench into your eye health machine. The unhealthy fats and sodium from processed meats can throw your body into a tizzy, causing inflammation and oxidative stress. Not exactly the recipe for crystal clear vision. But fear not, my friends. There's a light at the end of this dark, processed meat-filled tunnel. Swap out those sausage links and bacon strips for healthier protein options like grilled chicken, fish, or plant-based alternatives like tofu or legumes. Your spinach will thank you, and your eyes will too. Number 2 is spinach with sugary beverages. Consuming spinach with sugary beverages like soda or sweetened juices can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels and contribute to inflammation, which may increase the risk of vision-related issues. Opting for water or unsweetened beverages is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and supporting optimal eye health. Let's talk about a combo that's as sweet as it is sour: spinach paired with sugary beverages. It's like trying to mix oil and water. They just don't blend well together, especially when it comes to keeping your peepers in tip-top shape. First, we've got our leafy green hero, spinach. Packed with all sorts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's like a little green army protecting your eyes from harm and keeping them sharp as attack. Now, let's shift our focus to those sugary beverages, the villains of this tale. Filled to the brim with more sugar than a candy store, they're like a roller coaster ride for your blood sugar levels, sending them skyrocketing 1 minute and crashing down the next. So, what happens when you pair these two together? It's like throwing a wrench into your eye health machine. The sugar rush from those sweet drinks can send your body into a frenzy, causing inflammation and oxidative stress. Not exactly the recipe for clear vision. But fret not, my friends. There's a silver lining in the sugary cloud. Swap out those sweet drinks for something a bit more eye-friendly, like good old-fashioned water or unsweetened beverages. Your spinach will thank you, and your eyes will too. Number 3, spinach with his white bread or pasta. Pairing spinach with refined carbohydrates like white bread or pasta provides little nutritional benefit and may lead to fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Consuming refined carbohydrates alongside spinach can interfere with the absorption of nutrients and compromise vision repair processes. Opting for whole grain alternatives is important for supporting overall eye health and repair. Let's chat about a combo that's as mismatched as socks on a rooster: spinach paired with refined carbohydrates like white bread or pasta. It's like trying to mix oil and vinegar. They just don't blend well together, especially when it comes to keeping those peepers of yours in tip-top shape. First up, we've got spinach, our leafy green superhero. Packed with all sorts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's like a little green army protecting your eyes from harm and keeping them sharp as attack. Now, let's shift our focus to those refined carbohydrates, the troublemakers of this tale. White bread and pasta might be tasty, but they're about as nutritious as a cardboard sandwich. They send your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride, spiking them up 1 minute and crashing them down the next. So, what happens when you pair these two together? It's like throwing a wrench into your eye health machine. The rapid rise and fall of your blood sugar levels can wreak havoc on your body, leading to inflammation and oxidative stress. Not exactly the recipe for clear vision. But fear not, my friends. There's a light at the end of this carb-filled tunnel. Swap out those refined carbohydrates for something a bit more eye-friendly, like whole grain bread or pasta. Your spinach will thank you, and your eyes will too. So let's ditch the refined carbs and opt for healthier options that'll keep our peepers sparkling bright. After all, when it comes to eye health, you don't want to cut corners. Spinach deserves a better partner in crime. In conclusion, pairing spinach with certain foods can significantly impact eye health, potentially leading to vision loss. Among the 3 best pairings for spinach, bell peppers, almonds, and sweet potatoes stand out for their rich nutrient profiles and synergistic effects. On the other hand, highly processed meats, sugary beverages, and refined carbohydrates like white bread or pasta are among the worst combinations, as they can hinder nutrient absorption and contribute to inflammation. By choosing optimal food pairings, we can ensure that spinach supports optimal vision repair and overall eye health. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.